Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Yota. I'm thrilled to have you here today. And if you're one of my regular subscribers, welcome back. I love you guys so much. For today's video, I'm finally getting around to doing a tag video. And this tag was started by A Heated Mess. Hi Cindy. She is so beautiful and she is a pretty new YouTuber and her channel is growing really fast. I will link her channel in the description box. You guys, you have to go over to her channel, check her out. She is fantastic. She does beautiful unboxings and she's very knowledgeable about luxury. So I think you would really enjoy her a lot. So check her out. And she started this video and the name of the video is If I Could Only Change One Thing, Bag Tag. And I think it's great because how many times have you had a bag and you love the bag, but you always thought to yourself, I really wish this bag had this, or I wish it had that. You know, there might be one little thing about the bag that you would change. I've thought that a lot about several of my bags. So when she came up with this tag idea, I thought it was just great. So let's get into the video, but before we do, I need to show you my bag of the week. And I'm still carrying my, I started to say Louis Vuitton. I'm still carrying my Tory Burch backpack and it is so versatile. Like I said, these pockets are so usable, and in fact, if I could change one thing about this bag, you know what it would be? Nothing. I love this bag. I've used it like crazy. It is just a great bag. It's lightweight. It is it's stylish, it's functionable, and these pockets are actually usable. So I just really love this bag and I've been carrying this for a week straight. Okay, so let's get into the tag. The first bag in my collection that came to mind when I was thinking about this tag video is my Palm Spring PM backpack. I love this backpack. It is so usable. I love the handle. I love the straps, and that is what held me back from buying it because I didn't think that I liked the looks of them, but they're perfect. There is one thing about this backpack that really bothers me, and it's not really this. You know, they have redesigned the zipper, and I actually prefer this one because I think this one looks better. It looks more sleek, and I am used to pushing it in and unzipping it, and I just have a certain way that I get into it, and I'm just really used to using it like that. In fact, when I'm using this bag, I normally keep it kind of like this, and it's just, you know, I'm used to it, so it doesn't bother me. The one thing that bothers me about this backpack is this pocket. Well, it's really hard I mean, the zipper works fine, but basically this pocket is just, I don't know, it's hard to even get your fingers in there, and if you do put something in there, you have to like dig down inside of it. I just don't use it, and I mean, other than just, you know, looks, I really see that it serves no purpose. I wish somehow the pocket on this backpack were more usable, and for some reason, which this doesn't bother me, but I thought it would be nice if this were actually a pocket, you know, on each side like backpacks are, but not to put you could put a bottled water there, but I just think it would be really nice. Anytime you have extra pockets, that's always a plus for me. But the number one thing about this backpack is this pocket, because I just don't use it. I don't see, it doesn't really serve a, you know, a purpose. You can put things in there, but it's really difficult to get them out. So that's the number one thing that I would change on my Palm Spring PM backpack. Number two on the list is this gorgeous tote, my Christian Louboutin Cabata tote. I absolutely love this bag, and it's different. You don't really see it a lot. It's a pretty popular bag, but you don't see it as much as you do the Neverfull. It has a gorgeous red bottom, but it's nothing but a big open hole. Now this bag does not even have the big zippered pocket. the Louis Vuitton Neverfull at least has a big zippered pocket. This one is nothing but a big open hole, and it has this little D-ring and hook here, right there. But unless you buy an organizer for this bag, it's just a big open hole, and it's very, very annoying. So I don't understand why they didn't at least put the big zipper like in the Neverfull. That would have been very helpful. But when I bought the Samorga organizer, it was a game changer because no longer is it a big open hole. I can stay organized, and it's much better with the organizer. But it's just, like I said, a big open hole, and I really do wish they would have at least put that zippered pocket on this bag. Now that brings me to this bag, and I'm pretty sure if you have a Neverfull, most people would have a complaint about the Neverfull because of the opening. So it's pretty much the same as the Christian Louboutin Cabata tote, and it just has the D-ring and the hook. And of course you can see that I have an organizer in mine. Now this one is the Epi leather, and without the organizer, this one is also a big open hole. This one does not have the zipper like the canvas bags. So it's the very same. So I don't know why they didn't at least put a zippered pocket inside this bag. It did come with a pouch, but again, I bought a Samorga organizer for it, which it's much better with it. You know, and before I got these organizers, I really didn't carry these bags that much because it was just very annoying, and I just don't like, I don't have to be that organized because I'm not really an organized type of person, but I still want to be able to find my stuff. And but the number one thing about these two bags is they desperately need an inside zipper pocket. And I also am not crazy about the closure because I don't use this as a travel bag because things will spill out. If I have to put it in the overhead bin on the plane, you know, all my things could spill out, and or even under my seat. So there are two things I would change about both of these bags. They need a zippered pocket and a better closure. Bag number 4, and this is one of my favorite bags in my collection, and I do hope at some point to get another color of this bag. It's my YSL Lulu bag. It is like a fluffy pillow. I love this bag so much. It's so luxurious. There is one thing that I would change about this bag, and I've thought this many times. I really, really, really wish that it had a back pocket. I love a back pocket on a bag. Maybe it makes it not quite as dressy, but still for me, I think that would be so perfect if this bag had a back pocket. But other than that, I can complain, there's nothing I can complain about with this bag. This closure is very strong. It has the divider on the inside. It's a fabulous bag, but I have often wished that it had just a little pocket in the back where I could just, you know, slip my cell phone in there, and I think that would make it a perfect bag. It's near perfect anyway, but I think a pocket on the back would make it absolutely perfect. Okay, so the next bag is one that I've had for a long time, and it's my Louis Vuitton favorite. This is one of my favorite bags, and I love it, but there's one thing that has always bothered me, and I don't know if it's just my bag or if they're all like this. Let me know if you have this bag, but the closure, the magnetic closure, is not really all that strong. I feel like it needed a piece here. I mean, I've wanted to carry this bag many times, like, you know, going to Disney or, you know, a park or a art festival, but I don't carry it because it doesn't feel like it's secure. It's kind of floppy here. I don't know if that's actually a magnetic closure, if it just has a weight on it, but it does close. But for me, it has never really felt secure enough. So that's one reason that I don't carry it as much as I would like to. I do carry this bag a lot, like for dinner or just going out. And of course I added the gold chain. This is a Louis Vuitton chain that I added and took off the leather strap because I thought this dressed it up a lot. So mostly now, because of the closure, I do tend to use this more as a dressy bag. Otherwise, I probably would have left the other chain on there and used it a lot, just, you know, for those days when you want a small carefree bag. But the number one thing I would change about this bag, or the only thing, is the closure. I just wish it were stronger. It just does not feel secure to me. One more bag. My Gucci Dionysus. I love this bag. This is a going out bag. This is not an everyday bag due to the size. I do carry smaller bags now, but still, it doesn't really fit all of my daily essentials, but as you can see, it's fabulous. And I love Gucci, and I love the Dionysus line, and I love the strap. I really do. But you know what I would love? I would love if this bag came with another strap, and somehow you could put another strap on here and wear it crossbody, or if this bag, or if this strap rather, were longer. Because I feel like if I could wear it crossbody, I probably would use it more. But I do use it, but I don't use it for an everyday bag, and you won't normally see me using this as a bag of the week. Sometimes I'll pull it out and use, you know, I'll use it for the day or maybe a couple of days, and then I change out of it. But it's a little bit weighty for the size, and I think a lot of it has to do with this strap, but I love it, I love it, I love it. And I thought that I wanted a medium one, and it was on my wish list last year. If you guys watched my wish list for this next coming year, I wanted a medium size, but I didn't love it as much as this size. I just think this is so pretty. I just wish I could wear it crossbody. And so that's the number one thing that I would change about this bag. All right, you guys, so that's it for my tag. Thank you so much, Cindy from A Heated Mess. She created this wonderful tag. It's so exciting, and I thought it was a really good tag because there are so many times, like I said, I've carried a bag and thought, I just wish it had this, or I just wish it had that. So it was a great tag. Thank you for tagging me, Cindy. And again, I will link her channel below. And I'm always late to the game, so I'm pretty sure most of my friends have done this tag. So I'm just going to say, if you have not done this tag, I would love to see you do this tag. It's just great. And before I let you guys go, I have a little unboxing, and it's just something small, and I actually have something similar. So this is actually a real unboxing, or a true unboxing. I took my address off, and so I'm going to open it up and show you guys what I got. So I'm super excited, and if you guys watch me regularly, you will know that I broke my promise. I said I was going to be good until after Christmas, and I just haven't been. And you guys, I just couldn't take it anymore. I just, you know, the naughty Yota is back. She's back. And I mean, there's just so much of that I can handle. And you guys, I'm not anywhere near being finished Christmas shopping. I've shopped a lot for my little granddaughters. I can't stop shopping for myself. It's just awful. So Tuesday, actually when this video goes live, we will be at the beach, Panama City Beach. We're going to spend Thanksgiving with Keith's mom, who lives there. Actually, we had my family Thanksgiving today, which is Sunday. So I'll probably do some Christmas shopping while I'm down there. Okay, so I've got it open. Open the box. Open the box. I just love unboxing. And what do you guys see? I love, love, love Tory Burch. So I got a little item. And as you guys know, they had a sale. I went a little crazy. Bought a couple pair of shoes. a pair of boots, and then after I did the video, last week's video, I went back, actually on Nordstrom this time, and found the loafers, like the black ones with the velvet. I can't think right now what they're called, but I got them at Nordstrom, and they were even cheaper than the Tory Burch sale. And I normally, like I said, buy your things from Tory Burch from the website or the boutique because they do keep up with your purchases. But in this instance, I had to go ahead and get them because they were super cheap. So I'll be unboxing those soon. Okay, so it's just wrapped up like this little bitty item. They just put it in here. One of my subscribers said, have you ever noticed that orange is such a luxe color? And it just reminds me of Hermes. So here it is. So we'll open up the bag, see what I got. Some of you probably can guess. I thought I just must have these. So here's the little dust bag with the little Tory Burch symbol there. And here it goes. So excited. And like I said, I have something similar, and some of you may know what it is. So it's in this tissue paper wrapped up with so much tape. I got these gorgeous Tory Burch earrings. These are silver, and they have this leather detail in the middle. Now, if you guys remember, a while back, I bought these. And I love these. I've worn them like crazy. You guys know that I am just an earring freak. So I'm going to compare them. And these are actually quite a bit smaller than the gold pair. I don't know if it's just this particular pair, if they make them larger, but this was the pair that was on sale. And I actually like that size. I don't always wear huge earrings, although I do prefer them, but I love the gold. And so now I have these. And I really like them. They're really pretty. And my friend Lady B, hi Lynette, she has these. Lynette, are yours the larger ones? Because I really expected these to be the same size. As you can see, they're quite a bit smaller. But that's okay, I'm not disappointed. But just let me know if yours are the larger ones, and I believe hers are. But I'm really happy with them. I think they're really pretty, and I think, you know, I think I got these for like $98, and they're normally about $158, so it was a pretty good buy. All right, so that's all I have for you guys this week. I will be at the beach when this video uploads, and I'll come back and I'll tell you guys about, you know, I might do a little vlogging while I'm there, you know, for fun. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love, love, love you to subscribe. I look on my analytics quite often, and many of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. It doesn't cost a dime. I would love to have you as a subscriber, and I would love your support. And if there's anything that you would love to see on my channel, please do let me know, and I will try my best to accommodate you. I thank you so much. You guys are the best, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye. Happy Thanksgiving.